Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can remove the front panel card for this Maserati SQ4 Levante. We have to open the door first. We have to search for the screws. Okay, now we have here this plastic cover. We have to remove this one out. To find the screws, we have two screws, one here and one here, and we have another one under this okay, it's right there. So what we have to do to don't damage the panel, we have to mask it here, because this one it's an expensive car and we don't want to damage the panel door. Okay, we're gonna have to insert this tool, or you can use a screwdriver, but it's much better to use a panel removing tool, just like this one, or anyway a plastic removing tool. Yeah, have to start from this side, just like that, as you can see, and now we're gonna have to do like that. Yeah, that's it. Now we have to slide in the left or in the right, it's up to you, because here has two clips, as you can see. Here has this clip and this one has to go in the side. Okay, and now we're gonna slide in the right side to remove the other one as well. Yeah, okay, we remove this one, the cover, and now we have to remove the screws. We have one here and one here. We're gonna use the HW5 to unscrew the screws. I'm gonna use the electric drill because it's much faster, but you can use the ratchet. Okay, two and three. Okay, now we're gonna have to go in the side. Okay, and under this light we have another screw. Okay, unplug the light. Okay. I see here we have another screw. Yeah, so we have 4 screws. We have another one here. Okay, now let's finish. Now slowly let's remove the panel. Okay, have to remove this cover as well. And now let's lift up the panel. just like that. You can shake a bit, make sure it's coming slowly out. And now we have to remove the wires and all this stuff. Slowly. Have to use a screwdriver if you need. You can ask somebody to help you if you can't do it by your own. Okay, this is it. This is the way how you remove the front panel card for this Maserati. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope this video to be helpful for you. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.